Hi, this is Mr. Tipton, and today we are looking at the percent equation. Last time we looked at the percent proportion, and the equation is just a different way of solving the same kinds of problems. For your quiz, you are going to be expected to know how to solve these problems both ways. You need to understand the proportion and the equation. Alright, so here it is. The part is equal to the percent times the whole. Alright, when we did percent of a number, this is essentially what we were doing. But every time we were trying to find the part, we just took the percent, remembering to use a decimal instead of the percent, times the whole. That's the percent equation. What is 13% of 27? Alright, the part is the is, and that's what we don't know. So what is 13%, we're going to use 0.13 of 27. So the percent times the whole, the of is the whole. Throw that in the calculator and we get x is equal to 3.51. Alright, part equals percent times whole. Let's do another. Example 2, 62% of 75 is what number? Again, we don't know the is. We don't know the part. We do know that the percent is 62%, and so we're going to use the decimal for 62%, which is 0.62. And of 75, 75 is the whole, it's the total. We're finding part of 75. 62% of 75 is 46.5. Just put it in the calculator. Alright, here's an example where we're not missing the part. Here we know that 287 is what percent of 410? Okay, part equals percent times whole. Okay, the part is the is, the whole is the of. Alright, 287 is, but this time we have what percent? We don't know the percent, so that's where our variable goes. Of 410, okay, we need to get x by itself to figure out what it is. Right now it's being multiplied by 410, so we're going to divide by 410. And what we do to one side, we must do to the other side. When we divide 287 by 410, we get 0.7. But remember, we're looking for a percent. Right now all we have is a decimal. How do we turn a decimal into a percent? Just move it over twice. Fill that in with a ninja. Okay? 70%. 287 is 70% of 410. One more example. Part is equal to percent times the whole. 33 is 55%, remember to use the decimal, of what number? We don't know the whole. We know the part, but we don't know the whole. We don't know the bigger number. Alright, we're multiplying by 0.55, 0.55, so we're going to divide by 0.55 to both sides. And that gives us x is equal to 60 is what my calculator told me. So 33 is 55% of 60. The percent equation is another way of doing these kinds of problems. You do need to know how to use the equation as well as the proportion. Whatever questions you have, write them down. Come ready tomorrow. We'll talk about them then. See you soon.